To get the most out of your CBD capsules or tablets, it is very important to find the right dosing routine. In this short video, we'll explain how to get started with CBD capsules or tablets and how to find a dosing schedule that suits your needs. CBD capsules or tablets are best taken with a glass of water. Simply place the capsule or tablet in your mouth and swallow it whole with a large drink of water. It takes roughly an hour for the tablet or capsule to be completely digested and for the active ingredients to reach your bloodstream. Repeat this process in the morning, afternoon, and evening, sticking to the same routine for 1 week. If you don't achieve the desired effect after 1 week, we recommend increasing your first daily dose by 1 capsule or tablet. Increasing your morning dose to 2 capsules while keeping the other intervals at 1 capsule will raise the CBD level in your blood, resulting in a stronger influence on the body. Maintain the increased dosing routine for 1 week. Still haven't achieved the desired effect after 2 weeks? Try increasing your second daily dose by 1 capsule, for a total of 2 in the morning, 2 at lunch, and 1 in the evening. Keep this up for 1 week. Repeat this dosing schedule until the desired effect is achieved. Because your blood now contains enough CBD, increasing it any further is no longer necessary. And you can continue by going back to 1 capsule or tablet 3 times a day. Be aware that if you stop using CBD capsules or skip a dosing stage, the levels of CBD in your blood will drop, causing the effects to fade. You can rebuild your CBD level following our dosing schedule from earlier, but this means starting all over again. To get the best results, we highly recommend keeping your dosage consistent and your CBD level topped up. Good luck!